For Fit for Future, it means a strong and a very positive cost benefits relation. So what we are offering to the market is some financial benefits. We know that everybody or every customer is looking for savings, is looking for do more with less, So we are offering some specific financial KPIs here that can help the business case. Starting with zero upfront transition costs. So we are not charging for in upfront for the transitions. So the customer can start using our services without any upfront investment. We have also a target to reduce your costs in at least 10% from day one. So based on our experience, based on the new model that we will design and drive with you, we are able to deliver more than 10% costs from the day one. Okay, but also reducing at least 5% year over year, because we will create a plan, an individual plan for each company, for each customer, to include automation, continuous services improvements, including root cause analysis, root cause solvings, back to standard. We guarantee, or we separate 2% of the contract to help the customer on the innovation. So this can be used for a POC, this can be used for a small project to implement a Fiori scenario or an analytic or create a dashboard or whatever, and this will help the customer to make the SAP environment more updated, more attractive to the end user, based on the new and the innovations that SAP is launching every day.
We offer this smart AMM assessment to our new customers, existing customers who are already with us on say hosting or SAP basis, for example. Then where we kind of go to our customers, analyze their SAP application management activities. Here primarily the analysis is based on the data from 6 months to an year kind of data, using our intelligent and smart AMM analytics solution, which we have built in-house, to analyze this data, come out with an assessment result, recommend automations and service improvements, and create a solution roadmap for our customers, show it to them, and then finally create a kind of a customized SAP AMM service offer. And if you are already an existing customer, then of course we use that end-to-end service approach, which Pradesh was touching upon, to build further synergies. To take you to the next level, right, from an application management point of view, which includes bringing in that synergies from an SAP end-to-end approach, introducing more automation. There are different levels of automations we can do. We'll speak about that a little bit more in the subsequent slide. Also take from a kind of IT SLAs to an output based SLA, right? So that is where we are not just looking at has the response time been met, has the resolution time is been met. I think that is fundamental, that is required, that of course will be done. But beyond that, take you to an SLAs and KPIs framework, which also underpins the innovation and CSIs that we have, or the continuous service improvements that we have been talking about. Yeah, so you get a commitment from our side, which is kind of shown transparently on a month-on-month, on a quarterly basis, so that you can also see what kind of improvements we are driving. There are 3 more factors that you see. Yeah, assisting more in terms of digital transformation, especially cloud-based digitalization. So that is one thing. Scalability also comes from our core flex factory model that is there, and of course all this underpinned through the T-Systems DNA of delivering zero defect, zero outage based principle, which is a very fundamental. While we deliver all this transformation, all this innovativeness, it has to ensure that the quality is not going down, and that is something as embedded into our DNA for all services, not only for application management, but anything that we do in the market. Yeah. If you decide that you come on board on this journey with T-Systems, how we will take you on that journey. So there is a 3-step approach. We call it the transition, acceleration, innovation approach. Transition is kind of after the assessment. If we decide to move forward, we build the foundation where we do the initial assessment of from an automation point of view, show the roadmap to you, do the transition of the services, then go on that acceleration path, modernize, enhance, and automate, where all the basic automation tools, etc., implemented, and then take you to an innovation roadmap as well to move into the next generation of SAP roadmap. Yeah, it could be moving into an agile and DevOps. It can be also moving, if you're all on a legacy kind of environment, how we can help you to move into an S4 HANA kind of environment, how we can help you more on digitalization. So there are basically 3 stages, as you see on the slide. Stage 1 is primarily we have some homegrown, ready to run accelerators which are already available. Some of this, an example would be an SAP security accelerator for that being, right? Implement that. From there, we take you to a more advanced journey, which is focused primarily on enhancing the customer experience further, reducing the cost. This will include deployment of chatbot kind of solutions, self-service based solutions, and also more RPA based bots, depending upon what RPA solutions you are using, be it Blue Prism, UiPath, or Automation Anywhere, or any of those. So we can help you that. We have also some platforms like the bot management platform, which can further help enhance the service delivery of the RPA. And the third step is where we go for more advanced level automation, which is based on AI, ML kind of technologies, deploying intelligent bots, self-learning based bots, which can deploy further automation and automate, for example, the dispatch of the tickets. Yeah, like we have this intelligent ticket dispatch and intelligent ticket resolution kind of mechanisms into the environment.